Hello, I'm Victor, and this is our new design for the Voron Afterburner cable cover. This is suitable to accommodate the Ender 5 Plus cables properly uh, due to some situations when the cables came down and go in the way of the tooling and the end stops switches, and this can lead to an accident, a printing accident. Uh, so in order give to have a proper solution for the Ender 5 Plus with the stock carriage with wheels and the stock frame, this is what it came up, and it will be available to everybody as an open source project like Voron design is. I hope you like it. With this design, you can easily fix with two zip ties the tube that is supplied to protect the cables on the Ender 5 Plus. The gap between the stepper motor and the cover it doesn't exist on my stepper motor, unlike the one on the step file on the Voron files. So don't worry. If you have a different stepper motor, you will have a slight gap. In order to do a proper direct drive system in this printer, I also used the direct drive filament guide by Fargo 3D Printing in Thingiverse. It's a good and expensive solution to install direct drive using the remaining bracket of the extruder. In this case, as an Ender 5 Plus, it has a bigger bracket that supports also the filament sensor that I will not be using in this configuration, but maybe later I will use the remaining mounting holes on that bracket to install a filament sensor for that alignment with this direct drive configuration. Well, I hope you like this solution and safe printing, everybody.